What's up, guys? MattyBRaps here with my new college girlfriend.
No.
And today, will you tell us what we're gonna be doing?
Yes, so today I have something very special planned. We are gonna be playing the Guess That Weird Sound Challenge. So basically, someone's gonna play a sound for us, and then
we'll guess
have
that
to
weird
guess
sound.
it and write it down on these notebooks.
How am I supposed to write it down, Madison?
Let's get started.
This is unfair.
No.
I need a 1 second head start.
No.
Look how slow I write. Watch, guys. I learned how to write with my left hand yesterday.
The sad thing is that
Is that good, guys?
this is kind of his handwriting with his right hand.
No,
Yes, it is.
I get a head start since I'm in high school.
Whatever.
You're in college.
Whatever. You get a head start. It doesn't even matter, but you get a head start.
Shake on it. Ow! I'm just kidding. First sound.
Oh my goodness.
Round one. What is it called?
I don't know.
There we go, boys. Okay, you can't. I spelled my D and my E backwards because it's my left hand, but that says Windex.
That's what, yeah.
Windex, brother.
Spray bottle.
No, because a hairspray bottle doesn't sound like that.
Yes, it does. I just
Only
used
a
one in the
Windex
car.
bottle.
No.
And the answer is
smoothie pump.
okay. That's a
wouldn't have
spray
guessed
bottle,
that.
though. They're the same thing. It just
Squirt
sprays
bottle.
out smoothie stuff.
What'd you say?
I said spray bottle.
Okay, well.
He just said that's
No,
the
no,
spray
no,
bottle.
no,
That's
no,
the point
no,
for
no,
Madison.
I get a point.
No.
I get a
Nope.
Alright, guys, next one.
Alright, whatever. Neither of us get points. Round two.
2.
Make a new line. Let's go! Toilet.
Toilet flush.
Oh my. Oh, I'm ready for. Alright, and
No.
the answer is.
Toilet flush.
Yay! I get 2 points.
Bro, it's because she's in college. Now you're kissing up to her, man.
That's what a toilet. That's why.
Bro, it's a toilet. It's a toilet. Round 3. Play it again.
I really
Alright,
have no
answers in
idea.
10 seconds.
What do you mean?
Or you both get 0.
Play it again. Play it again. What is that?
Answers in 3, 2, 1, nails.
You're lying.
Nails rubbing together.
Bro, this is rigged.
No,
What's the next one?
I knew it. I knew it.
Alright, round 4. What is it called? I don't know what that thing's called.
Oh, I don't know.
Kind of sounds like a really
I
bad
don't like my
toilet.
guess.
Alright, I'm saying it's a machine.
It's a machine.
It's a smoothie machine. It's a machine where you put it in and it shreds the stuff.
Ice machine.
No, man! You stole my answer.
Woo!
Round 5.
Round 5.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
I'm not taking this one from me again. Not this time. This one. I knew y'all would think that. It's
Hang on, guys, please. Just look at this. What does this even say?
It says F-A-U-C. How do you spell faucet? Faucet is actually a weird word to spell. Have you ever thought about that?
Okay, but
F-A-U-C-T.
I can't even
Faucet?
figure out what you're trying to.
Faucet. I'm saying faucet. She says hose. All right.
I say turning on water hose.
What is it? You're lying, bro.
Turning on a water hose.
On water hose. 5-0. Matt, isn't your arm broken? Not your ears.
Keep sending shots, Madison, but I'm gonna win this last round, and you're gonna
Okay.
get salty. All right, let's go. Round 6. All right. So I've been letting you win. It's just first vlog in a while together, so I'm just going easy on you.
Okay.
But you wanna raise the stakes real quick?
Yeah.
Whoever loses this round has to get sprayed by the water hose.
Okay. I'm ready.
Let's do it. I'm not worried. Last round, boys. This is for all the marbles. What is it?
10 seconds.
No. Chill. I have no clue, so.
Alright, answers in 3, 2, 1.
A twister spinner.
No, that's not what you were gonna say. That's my answer. I say twister spinner.
And the
Actually, I'm
answer,
gonna go with a board game spinner.
and the answer is board game spinner.
Let's go!
So I have to get spinner with water now. But I got 5 of them right. That's so
How about you
messed-
rock, paper,
I
scissors?
said twister spinner, and twister is a board game.
No, it's not.
so
It's a floor game.
It's
Not on a board.
game.
How about you rock, paper, scissors? If you lose, you get sprayed. If you win, neither of us get sprayed.
Okay.
Since I won that round. That was the bonus round. All right, here we go. We'll be best 2 out of 3.
Yeah, I can't do it.
Oh!
2 out of 3.
Yes, no. No! Alright, so that means neither of us gets. Alright, guys, so that was our mystery
Weird sound
guessing
challenge.
sound challenge.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed. So what we've learned from today, guys, is even with the cast, I'm always clutch when I need to be in the last round. You already know.
Matt, I
And
got 5 of them right.
no, I didn't
got
see
one.
those. Sorry. But comment down below what you want us to do in the future.
Yeah.
And I hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks for
Until
watching.
next time. See you guys later.